Hi! In front of me is Oppo Reno6 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of your keyboard on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now you need to select additional settings, keyboard and input method, and finally Gboard. Then go into theme and tap on show more to see all available ones. When you're ready, you can click on one of those images, click on the switcher next to gray borders to enable or disable them, and tap apply. You can do the same with one of those colors. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!